Okay, hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to promote AliExpress affiliate products on TikTok. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if you want to create an account on AliExpress or TikTok, you can use our link in the description down below and you may get discounts or rewards upon signing up. So without any further ado, let's get started. So yes, you can see TikToks can be used to promote affiliate products, so it depends on you what is the platform you have associated with. So it depends whether you have Amazon, you have AliExpress, yeah, etc., etc., yeah, other online store such as them. And yeah, you can use them you can use TikTok to promote your affiliate products from your respective associate. So now I'm going to show you how to promote AliExpress affiliate products to your TikTok account, and share the promote your products right there, and to earn some money and to grow your business and to increase your customers. So yeah, that's it. So now what you're going to do is to create an AliExpress portals account. So you just need to register. Go to this website right here and click register. So as you can see, you will have a four steps to promote and earn. So first is choose products and get tracking links, promote products in your channels, bring more traffic and orders to AliExpress, and lastly, you get commission from shoppers' orders rightly on AliExpress. So yeah, this is one of the best. This is one of the best thing to have for your when you're starting a affiliate products marketing or affiliate marketing. So yeah, that's it. So now we're going to click register, and right here we're going to make an account so we can continue with our Google account. And right here, as you can see, I need to create my AliExpress affiliate account. So it will ask me the basic information of me, my name, contact email verification code, contact phone number, social media platform, social media account ID, and yeah, any other options. So let's just fill all of this up. So yeah, after inputting this, as you can see, on social media platform, click others, and for the platform name, click or type TikTok. And for the social media account ID, just put your social media put your TikTok ID right here, so they would know. So after that, you can add more social media account if you have more. So this is my TikTok account, and if you want to add your Instagram account, Facebook account, yeah, it's up to you. You can add as many account as you want. So as you can see, they will ask how did you hear about us. So it depends on you. You can choose any of these options right here. Do you want to subscribe to the AliExpress portal's newsletter? And as you can see, yeah, I'm going to choose no, and make sure that you click this one and you read the AliExpress terms and privacy. So after that, just click next. I need to choose the promotional attribute. So this the network. So network refers to being an organization of agency of sub-publisher, sub-affiliates, and promoting via sub-affiliates. And for the non-network, it refers to promoting via your own promotion channels. So as you can see, you need to click non-network because you are promoting via your own promotion channels, which is the TikTok. So click non-network, and for the channel type, just choose social media since it's a social media account. And for the category, yeah, it's up to you if you want to choose group chat or influencer if you are a influencer, but if not, just choose others. And for the site name, so let's just use again TikTok. Well, if you have a website that you can use, yeah, you can use your website, not TikTok. But yeah, for now, I'm going to use TikTok for my as my site. For the category, okay, choose the category. Example, apparel accessories, the one I'm selling. Traffic source area. So you just need to choose your country, your locations, and for the description, it's up to you. I'm just going to put random, and yeah, that's it. So if you want, you can add more site. If you have website like Wix, like that, WordPress, etc., etc., yeah, you can add them right here. So after that, just click submit. And after that, as you can see, my registration is under review. So preliminary review of my registration may take up to 1 hour. So I need to wait up to 1 hour to review the result, whether my application is approved or not. So if my registration is approved, I can now go to AliExpress and go to some of their products and get their affiliate links. And right there, I can copy their links and paste it right here on my TikTok. So now we can just go to AliExpress for now. Okay, let's go AliExpress. So right here, for example, I'm going to choose a certain products that I am associated with, or my affiliate products. So for example, this one. So after I click this one, as you can see, it will give me a mostly it will show me right here its specific affiliate link. So now my account is not approved yet, but if your account is already approved, you will see your link, or the link of this affiliate products. So for now, I can just copy this specific link. So this is not an affiliate link, but yeah, this is still a link for this page right here for this product. So you can just use this for the meantime. So after that, as you can see, you can just paste many links if you want. Well, since this is only for this link is only for this product. So if you want to sell a bunch of products, a bunch of affiliate products, well, you can use link 3. So we can use link 3 so that we can add a bunch of links, affiliated links right here. So let's just add a link. Okay, add this one, or add a collection first. Add a collection. So basically, as you can see, the link tree is not working, but yeah, I think most of you know how to use link tree. So yeah, it's just a platform where you can add a bunch of links in bulk and create a specific link for that collection of links right there. So after you copied your links right here, or your link tree link, so copy your link tree link and go to your account, TikTok account, profile, edit your profile, and right here on the bio you can put your link tree right here, link tree link. So yeah, put your link tree link right here and click save. And yes, if you want, you can add, or you can, so the best thing, you can post some videos that promotes your AliExpress affiliate products, and right there you can also put your link tree on the description. So yeah, that's it. So this is one of the most important part. You need to, well, it is a TikTok, so you can use TikTok to post some videos about your product, and right there you can promote it. And yes, that's it. That's how you can use TikTok to promote AliExpress affiliate products. And also, that's it for today's video. If you want more, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next one.